My name is Bryan. I am a ministry major here at the University of Valley Forge. I was going to study political science at Penn State. I had all these internships in the Pennsylvania state government. When I graduated, the Lord removed those desires, but the Lord, He drew me here supernaturally, and the Lord captivated my heart here being at the University of Valley Forge. One of my mentors here, Jesus from Student Life, he would always invite me to his discipleship groups. Just the invitation to be a part of the discipleship process, to follow Jesus, it really impacts you when you really just go all in and allow the Lord to transform you. In the classroom as we're studying, we're learning how to be a follower of Jesus and learning how to make followers of Jesus in the classroom. When I'm in chapel, I'm following Jesus as I worship and learning how to make disciples through worship and through community. One of the biggest opportunities that I've had is to be a resident assistant here. I have the opportunity to pour into a lot of different guys on campus, whether it's people from UVF worship, whether it's people that are doing biblical studies or psychology, photography. There's so many different avenues that people take here, and I have the pleasure to serve them, to walk with them, to do life with them. There's also missions trips, which I have been given the wonderful opportunity to be a part of. I've been to Puerto Rico my first 2 years here at UVF, and now I'm leading a trip to Cambodia, which is very exciting. For me, who has not had a lot of financial support growing up, scholarships have kept me here at the university, and because of so many people's help and support, whether they knew me or not, they are supporting the calling and ministry that God has given me. Through me just being here, I've learned what it means to follow Jesus, to learn the heart of the gospel, the beauty that it has, and as a result, my life has been radically transformed.